Hello, and welcome to my Total Life Happiness channel. This channel is dedicated to helping affiliate marketers get started the right way online, saving you time and money, also giving you the tools and skills required to make your first dollar online. Make sure you subscribe, smash the like button and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Today's video we're going to cover the 3 easy ways to make real money online. With the advent of the internet and the possibilities provided by it, many companies have seen the opportunity to increase their visibility and have made themselves accessible online, which is when the digital economy began. With technology continuously changing and internet speeds approaching the point they are now at, it became obvious that the digital economy will overturn the conventional economy by far and become even better for profit. Recently, the digital economy has been one of the main drivers of economic growth in the US, rising at an annual rate of about 7.2% over the last decade, which is about 4 times faster than GDP. Technology advancement has also made way for many companies to quickly increase their productivity in many areas while at a lower cost. The digital economy has a few benefits over the conventional one, and these are: Number 1. Effective resource allocation. There is a choice in the digital world to get an algorithm that has knowledge about what people are searching for on Google, what they want, and how they want it, and it's much cheaper than hiring people who may or may not be able to help you sell your product. Number 2. Location. It doesn't matter where you live, as long as you have an internet connection and an online presence. If your online shop is well promoted, you can be at home in your pajamas and make millions of sales of services or other items. Number 3. Faster development for small businesses. When you get your company online, it will cost around $20 to $30 to reach an audience of about 3,000 to 4,000 people, which means that it will cost so little to make your new business accessible to so many people out there who may be interested in your product or service. Marketing partner or affiliate marketing. Getting a website or blog that is frequented by a lot of people, it's one of the best things you can do to be able to make money online. And if you have one of those, you can use to set up referral links and refer people to the services that you'll receive commission for. If this sounds easy, it's because it's hard to get to a website or blog that a lot of people are reading. It takes time for a new website to become popular and get a lot of traffic. It means working hard and putting up content on a regular basis, but once you build up your following, you can really enjoy a passive income and get out of work from home. The way affiliate marketing works is by providing a fee on the goods or services offered. There are a number of websites with different products and services identified and available, and all you have to do is sign up for their site and apply to be a product affiliate. If you get accepted, this typically happens very fast. You will get a unique link that you need to embed in your posts so that your audience will see it. And if they buy the product or service through this link, you will get a fee that can be anywhere from 20% to 200% depending on the product and the company selling it. Make sure you're referring your readers to goods and services that you really think are worth their trouble, because if you're referring them to anything mediocre, you could start losing your audience, and your online sales would reflect it. Do your homework before you apply for every service to make sure you're a perfect affiliate, and you can proudly present it to your readers. There are a number of affiliate websites that you can sign up for and choose from the goods and services that they sell, including Share a Sale, Commission Junction, ClickBank, and many more. But you don't have to use these sites to become an affiliate. There are several businesses that have recognized the ability to provide affiliate options on their own without using one of the above websites, and have introduced an alternative where you deal directly with the company. Overall, affiliate marketing is certainly the best way to make money online. Build up your passive income that will give you the option to leave your day job and work from home, if that's what you choose to do. You could ultimately pay people to work for you, so you can enjoy your day and spend your time as you see fit. E-commerce. E-commerce is a fast-growing business that people can use to take advantage of the growth of the digital economy and make money online. This approach also involves working from home and, finally, it can be converted into a passive income stream that would only have to be sustained rather than continuous work and huge effort. The e-commerce business model is beginning to choose a niche and a persona. After you have done that, you will need a website where you can build your online shop and select a product that you believe will sell well and have the highest profit margin. It's got to be within the niche you've chosen and fit the person you've chosen to represent. It's better to start with only one product rather than many, because it can get complicated if the orders start coming in and you can't cover the cost right away. There could be shipping and return issues that are very hard for newly developed websites. When you have built a reasonable profit margin for one product, you can scale up and find out what else is selling like crazy so that you can put it on your website to offer your customer base. It's a fairly straightforward model, but today the e-commerce market is highly competitive, and it's not easy to compete with websites that are already well known and trusted by customers. However, it is also one of the easiest and most successful ways to make real money digitally through the development of the digital economy. Coaching and advisory programs. This is a booming industry. If you are confident about a particular niche, then there are people who will pay you for your knowledge. This is an easy business to set up and with the potential to profit quickly as well within your grasp. Take advantage of the many available applications online. Apps that are available on your smart devices are not just for fun and games. There are a lot of apps that have the potential to make you a lot of money if you're very committed to being a part of the digital economy and making money online. There are a few applications available that you can use to find a coaching or consulting job, and one of them is TaskRabbit. TaskRabbit. A very easy app to use that will give you a little extra money. Clients are posting tasks on the app, and you can apply for something posted there. The different tasks may be quick and straightforward, which would pay less and may be incredibly difficult and require experience in the field, but they would also be paid more. To find a consultant or coaching job, you just need to check their job database to see if there's anything available at the moment. You can try other related games, too, and not just stick to this one. Using the money-making websites. One of the easiest ways to enter the digital economy and earn money online is to use the websites open to all to earn active and passive revenue. Any of the platforms that are set up can be used to sell digital items, such as clothing designs, but can also be used for consulting and coaching services. Basically, the websites we place in this category concentrate on long-term working relationships with freelancers in a range of niche fields, including photography, architecture, content development, online marketing, coaching and consulting. The following are some of the pages available on the internet. Upwork. An exciting freelancer platform to find a part-time job or even a full-time job. It's nice to offer some kind of digital service you might imagine. The great thing about it is that, what you need for this platform is to be good at what you do. You don't need to build your own website or any special merchant accounts. If your service is top-notch and your understanding of the area in which you work is outstanding, you have nothing to worry about. The only drawback may be that there's a lot of competition and you're going to have to fight to get a job, but other than that, it's a fantastic way to make money online that can quickly transform into continuous income. Fiverr. Another similar platform to Upwork, but on this one you're posting what you can do for a certain amount when the minimum amount starts at just $5. So if you're looking for coaching clients, you can post a gig that lets people know that you're available for coaching sessions for an X amount of money, and people looking for anything like that will be able to see your gig and hire you to be their coach. There is a link below this video, where you can sign up for Fiverr. In conclusion, the digital economy is a fast-growing economy compared to the offline world, and we should all take advantage of the opportunities it provides. The 3 quick and efficient ways presented above are those that work best to build your passive income, and while affiliate marketing is listed first and is the best option, e-commerce and providing consulting and coaching services are near seconds. Pick up any of the 3 above, or even a mix of them, is something that anyone who has a little experience and is ambitious can do. It's never been easier to go online and start your own small business while sitting comfortably on your couch and working from home. If you'd like to know what affiliate program I am currently working with, click the first link under this video that says my #1 recommendation to make a full-time income online, and watch a free video explaining the opportunity. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe, smash the like button and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Thanks for watching.